Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold pants. This is a traditional model and it goes really well with the yakko-san that I taught, which means samurai's servant. But if you fold both of these, then the pants slide right in like this. But I'm just showing you how to fold the pants in this video. I'll have a link to the yakko-san at the end of this video, and we're going to be using a 6-inch sheet of kami. And then we'll start with the colored side down. Next we'll valley fold in half along both of the diagonals. So I'll bring this top right corner down to meet the bottom left corner. And then crease that all the way across. And then unfold. Then we'll bring the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. And then unfold. Next we'll perform a blintz fold, so we'll take each of these 4 corners and we're going to fold them into this center of this X here. So we'll start with the top left. Just line it up right in the center of that X and then crease it down. Then do the same thing with the top right corner. Bring it to the center of that X and crease. And the same on the bottom right. And the bottom left. Now we'll turn the whole model over. Then we'll make another blintz fold, so we'll bring each of these 4 corners into the center of the X here. So bring the top down to the center, crease that across, and the same on the right, and the bottom. And the left. Then turn the whole thing over again, and we'll do one more blintz fold on this side with these corners. Just bring them all into the center of the X, creasing each one firmly as you go. Next, turn the model over. Now we're going to make 2 squash folds on the top and on the bottom. And I'm going to do a pre-creasing step on the top. So we're going to bring this point with just 1 flap. I'm going to bring that up to this top point and crease that. Then we'll unfold. Then to turn that into a squash fold, we'll open this pocket up. So bring those 2 layers out to the sides, and then using that valley fold we just made, we'll bring this point out to the top again while those flaps are opening up to the sides. And then these creases will start to form, and you can just crease them nice and sharp, and there you have your squash fold. Now we're going to do another squash fold on the bottom, but we're not going to pre-crease this time. So you just open the 2 layers and swing that point down to the bottom and crease it all. Then it should look like this. Now for the next step, You'll just have to watch closely and then try it yourself. A bunch of things happen at once, but it's hard to explain, but it's not all that difficult to do. But you're gonna take these flaps here, just grab these points, and you're just gonna pull out to the side. And then a bunch of things are gonna come apart as you do it, but just keep pulling directly away from the other point. And then when you have it like this, you're gonna look at these points right here. If you press them upwards from the bottom, so I have my thumbs right on the bottom of those points, you're just gonna press with both thumbs at the same time, and it'll kind of pop through. And then once it pops through, it's going to look like this. And then we're going to make a valley fold between these 2 points here. And the easiest way to do that is to just start closing this up. And you'll see with my right hand, I'm creasing this out to the corner. Same with the left, crease that out to the corner. And then I'm just gonna press down and bring these 2 flaps together. So the front and back will be symmetrical. And as you do that, it'll form that valley fold I was telling you about. Then you'll just press everything down firmly. And then we're all done. And with that step, if you just pull on those points and just go for it, it's a lot easier than it sounds if you just kind of go more quickly than I went. Hopefully that all made sense. Then I'll have a link to the video of the yakko-san here. And if you fold that, or if you already have, all you're gonna do is look in this pocket right here, and you can slide these pants inside. And they work really well together. Or you can just have the pants on their own. But thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe. And then we'll see you next time.